Pour it onto the toaster. It will be clean without scrubbing and scraping. Here's a quick trick for cleaning a burnt toaster. With frequent use, burnt food residues and grease accumulate on its surface. Mechanical cleaning using a sponge can damage its surface. Instead of scrubbing, try this clever trick. In a container, pour 4 tablespoons of potato flour. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda. Soda is an eco-friendly alternative to cleaning chemicals. It has properties for removing stains, unpleasant odors, and disinfection. Pour 50 milliliters of water into the mixture. Mix it all together. Pour the mixture onto the heated toaster, covering the entire surface. Then, close it and leave it for a few minutes. When the mixture heats up, it will form a white paste. Remove it with a fork. All the dirt, grease, and residue will stick to it. Like a magnet, it will pull all the gunk out of the toaster. Simply roll it up and, once cooled, throw it away. The toaster will look like new. Its surface will be free of scratches. This recipe is natural and safe for health. There's no need for chemical cleaning agents for burnt residue.